How to turn on nude filter on TikTok. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, open the TikTok application. So when you will open the TikTok application, here is the options of profile at the bottom right corner. So click on it and then click on three lines on the top right corner. So after this, click on setting and privacy. So after click on setting and privacy, you can see privacy options. So after this, here you can see direct message, so just click on it. So after this, you can see here nude filter. So if you want to turn on nude filter, so you can turn it on. So guys, in this way you can turn on nude filter on TikTok. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.